What should I keep in mind while going in for home loans?
I think the first aspect that you need to consider is how much are you eligible for. Now, this would depend on your repayment capacity, and mostly banks would cap it to about 40% of your take home salary. It would, of course, vary from bank to bank. The second aspect to look at is what is the tenure you should go in for. Should it be 15 years? Should it be 10 years or 25 years? 20 years? Now, some of it would depend on your own ability to repay. So, you should just check out what is the EMI for different tenures, and if you are comfortable with a higher EMI, you can actually reduce the tenure so you're repaying your loan quickly. In fact, you also have options where you can use a home saver. Now, the home saver option basically allows you to set off any balances that you have in your account, and interest rate is only calculated on the difference between the outstanding and your bank balance. So, if you are a person who has outstanding balances larger, then this will be a good option to take. You also need to decide between a fixed and a floating rate loan. You look at a fixed rate loan when you think interest rates are going to go up, and vice versa, you look at a floating rate loan when you believe that interest rates are likely to come down. There's also one aspect that you can consider of whether you can take a joint loan with your spouse, because if you do that, then each of you can get the tax benefits, on the interest as well as the principal. Now, what are the tax benefits that you get? Your principal is covered under Section 80C up to 1.5 lakhs with other avenues. Your interest repayment is covered under Section 24, where the limit is 2 lakhs of deduction. And if both you and your spouse take it, then each of you get the same deduction. So while going in for your home loan, consider all aspects. Look at what are the costs of the home loans and compare it with other banks. What are the interest rates compared with other banks, and then go for a loan which serves your need the best.